Yeah, I have a question. How do you decide when you sell the stock?
Well, that's a very interesting question. Now, depends what's the source of your value. In some of the example that I stated, the source of the value it really is the asset value. And in that case, you really want to really reevaluate your scenarios upside and downside every once in a while because the situation changes. For example, in your favorite stock in the Russian oil, the local oils, and Gazprom, I sold it 2 years after I first bought it. And it just but at the time they're still kind of trading probably 90%, 80 to 90% discount. But I think the 80-90% discount is warranted somehow. Today it is still trading at a huge discount. I don't know what it is. You're probably more updated than I do. But relative to all the other countries, I would feel less comfortable with that discount. I need more. And it just happened to be given a 99% discount, 99.5% discount. That was a fluke. Yeah. Now, if you're really talking about earnings, I tend to be less in a hurry. Because if you really bet it right, the earning will continue to grow. And every time you sell a stock, you basically take out essentially 30 to 40% of interest-free borrow. By not really selling the stock, you avoided paying the capital gain taxes. The state and federal together is somewhere in 30 to 40%. I think it's going up. And as long as you're in that, in a sense, you're borrowing from the government on the interest-free and risk-free basis. And if the underlying asset continue to grow on a compounded basis, I would say that is a reason to be less in a hurry to sell. If they reflect in the fair value, I would keep it. But if they really go to the extreme overvalue situations and the business environment changes, of course you change your course of action. And that's a good thing about investing. Everything related and affected investment, all the circumstances changes all the time. That's why the game is so fun.